If you can all squeeze in here. Dark Mitts, you're stepping on everybody.
Everybody just got their meal and everybody just got a bath. They all fit at once in Matt's arms.
Kind of.
They'll figure themselves out. Dark Mitts is playful.
Everybody else wants to take a nap.
They are 4 weeks old tomorrow. That means we're starting to try them out with a little bit of lapping activities. We mixed some canned cat food with some milk, some cat formula, I should say. They were not very thrilled with that, but soon they'll grow to love it. Just a quick kitten update. The cuteness is just extreme. Hi, Jazz Hands. Who's that? Buttons? Oh no.
That's Buttons. That's Sunshine.
That one's Sunshine. There's Buttons. Little Blackie. Dark Mitts. Dark Mitts, you know your name? Beautiful kittens. Cheers and blessings.